Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Hano Fashion House. Today, I'm going to teach how to cut one of the structure sleeve. It's very easy and simple to do. So, what we need is the sleeve length, the bicep, and the gap length. So, I'm using 11 inches for the width of the sleeve. For the length, I'm using, let's assume, the same 11 inches. On the bicep, I will step down by 5.5 or 6 inches. The bicep is the fullest part of the arm. So I am taking 6. So on this structure sleeve, this one particularly, you step down by either 7 inches or 6 inches, depending how you want it to puff, how you want the sleeve to stand. You can have it in a short length. In a short length is called teacup, but this one is long a bit, just before the elbow. So here I am stepping down by let me take 6.5 inches. You can take 7 inches. So this way you measure according to the round sleeve of the person. So here I am taking 8 inches. Just so from the cap, from the point of the cap, you now curve down. And meet the 7 inches or 6.5, depending big you want the how deep you want the sleeve to be. So here I measured 8 inches. Yeah, that 8 inches is somehow big. It depends on the arm of the person. So I can go with 7 inches. Then I roll it down. So now I'm going to cut off all this. So this is the sleeve. I've already cut it out. So you now use your fabric. You place it on your fabric and trace it out and cut the lining also. You open it, you get your paper gum, either the strong one or color stain. You use it and gum it. So this place I've already notched it here, which is the center. So you can pleat and make use of your pin. You pleat. So I've pinned this place. You can turn it this way and run it. You run it on the machine. So after pinning here, this place you now run it down. You leave a little opening for joining. Then this is paper, so it's not standing very well the way it's supposed to be, but you can see how it is. So if this video is somehow helpful, give it a thumbs up like, comment and share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.